So Google just did a major demo of their AI glasses, and I think we need to talk about this. So Google just announced their new Gemini AI glasses at I/O 2026, and there are two versions. An audio-only pair launching this fall with Warby Parker, Gentle Monster and Samsung, and a display version with a HUD built into the lens that's still in prototype. And in this video, I'll break down everything they showed, how it works, and what's actually shipping versus what's a demo.
Pioneering hardware with Gemini. This gives you help in the moment without taking you out of it. The next big milestone for Android XR is intelligent eyewear. There'll be two types of these AI glasses that connect to your phone and give you hands-free help all day long. Last year, we showed you display glasses on the I/O stage. With the small in-lens display, you'll get helpful information right in front of you, right when you need it. Like seeing your Uber pickup details at a glance, or getting live translations as you travel. You'll even be able to use features like Create My Widget to make glanceable elements. The first wave of developers are already creating display experiences, and you'll hear more about these glasses later this year when we expand our Trusted Tester program. But let's talk about what's launching this year. Today, I'm excited to announce that our first audio glasses will arrive this fall. They are designed to give you all-day help with Gemini that is spoken into your ear privately rather than shown on a display. And these glasses let you stay hands-free and heads up for things like listening to music, taking photos, making calls, or tapping into your phone apps, all without reaching for your pocket. Personally, I love to cook, but I'm not one to follow a recipe book. So it's great to have Gemini offer some advice before I get too experimental. These audio glasses have brought together an all-star cast of partners. You've got the world's top eyewear designers at Gentle Monster and Warby Parker creating iconic designs. Thank you. The world's leading electronics company, Samsung, is building innovative new devices and experiences that set the bar for the whole industry. And we've been working to bring the best of Google to these glasses as well. And yes, they're going to pair with both Android and iOS devices. They look incredible, and today you are actually going to finally see for yourself. Let's pass it to our friend and partner from Samsung, Jay Kim, to kick off the world's first look.
All right, folks ready? At Samsung, our vision is to enrich people's lives and help shape how we live tomorrow. In close partnership with Google, we're introducing intelligent eyewear that empowers you to connect to the world with confidence. Built with Samsung's precise engineering and craftsmanship, we're merging form, function, and helpful intelligence to create something you'll want to wear. In eyewear, every millimeter counts. Today, we're thrilled to share a first look at the upcoming styles co-created with our eyewear partners, Warby Parker and Gentle Monster. Let's take a look.
People always saying that, hey, we have to be disruptive, but we have to think about what is the disruption. I want to make intelligent eyewear that looks prettier than normal eyewear. That's our goal. It's the balance between technology and fashion. It's not only product, it's all about perception and emotion. Heart. That is the DNA. I want to give confidence to people when wear this. They feel like connected with this kind of braveness, this kind of rebellious things, because this is who we are. That's the meaning of Gentle Monster with Google and Samsung.
Glasses are a deeply personal product. They shape how you see the world and how the world sees you.
What you see here is an evolution of Warby Parker's first intelligent eyewear designs.
Our vision for intelligent eyewear started by wanting to design a beautiful pair of glasses. We often take inspiration from different art objects, artists, eras in time.
It was important for us not to hide the technology, but to celebrate it.
These will not only help people see, but will help them understand the world more deeply.
We want people to experience the world fully, and that's the magic of this technology. Hey, Gemini, who wore it better?
The Warby Parker styles, and Nishta has a pair of the Gentle Monster glasses on. Looking great, Nishta.
Thanks, Ram. You too.
Okay, a quick preamble for the demo today. We're going to be piping in the audio to the stage speakers from our glasses. But in regular use, of course, Gemini is just going to privately be talking to us. Now, last time we were on stage, we saw the rich Google Maps experience on display glasses. Well, maps on these glasses are just as helpful, especially when working in combination with personal intelligence.
No pulling out my phone. All I have to do now is ask. Hey, can you navigate me to the place I met my friend Gianna at last week?
Hey Nishta, I've set your route to the Redwood Grove Nature Preserve from last week's hike. Want to add a stop on the way to grab your afternoon cold brew?
Yes, Gemini. I would love that.
Okay, I'm starting walking navigation with a stop at Koopa Cafe. Turn around and head towards Bill Graham Parkway.
With glasses, you can allow maps to further understand your context and what's in front of you. So you get detailed directions like the coffee shop is coming up on your right. Speaking of coffee, Nishta, do you want to show how Gemini Intelligence can allow you to order that cold brew up ahead?
That's a really good idea. Gemini, can you actually put my usual order in at that coffee shop we just talked about?
Sure, I'll order you a nitro cold brew for pickup from Koopa Cafe on DoorDash.
So on the screen behind me, you can actually see Nishta's phone that's in her pocket. Gemini is able to launch apps like DoorDash, then click through all the different option screens automatically to order her coffee. And in a moment, it's going to be ready for Nishta's confirmation. There we go. There we go.
I have prepared your order for the nitro cold brew from Koopa Cafe. Would you like to confirm?
Yes, please. And add a tip for 20% too.
I think after all these rehearsals, that's our 15th cold brew today. And thanks to the coffee shop for putting up with us.
Definitely is. And speaking of preparation, I actually muted my text before I came on stage, but let me see if I can catch up now. Hey Gemini, any important messages I miss?
Yes, your family group chat decided to meet for dinner at 7 today. And there is a reminder to say your daily affirmations. You are strong, you are confident.
Okay, we'll do those affirmations a bit later. But why don't you add that dinner to my calendar?
Sure, I'll add an event for family dinner at 7 p.m. to your calendar, right after your team celebration.
Awesome. Gemini not only, thank you. Gemini not only summarized her muted text, but it tapped into her calendar app to add that event. So we saw how glasses work on your phone, but what about when they're attached to your watch to give you a glanceable display?
It's not a Google I.O. without an audience selfie, but we're gonna do it with a twist this time. Can everyone strike their favorite pose? Gemini, take a photo of this amazing audience, but turn it into a cartoon and add a big blimp in the sky that says Google I.O. 2026 on it in fun colors.
Everyone strike a pose. Okay, if this goes well, everyone go bananas in the audience because Nano Banana on glasses is just awesome. And just in a few seconds, you'll even see that seamless preview on her watch. Any second now, drum roll. Here we go.
Why am I making a video on Google's AI glasses? Well, I think this is much bigger than people understand. Well, Right now, the way that we interact with AI is we talk to it, we prompt it on our phone, but one of the key things that will be a trend moving forward is coming offline and into the real world. And I've seen personally the rise of Meta's AI glasses, and now with Google stepping into the arena, I think this is going to become mainstream. I don't think that people realize just how big having glasses that are essentially always on and able to help us changes the way that we actually will